BoardSafe is proud to announce a recent installation in September 2024 at Northville, New York. It is located on the Great Sacandaga Lake, which is in the southern region of the Adirondack Park. It is the first adaptive kayak launch open in the Adirondack Park, and the launch was spearheaded and funded by the Northville Rotary Foundation. The Rotary Club prides itself in investing in local communities and improving quality of life for all residents. It is common for BoardSafe to work with community groups like Rotary and the Lions Club, as well as other paddling groups, nonprofits, and Friends of Parks organizations to provide additional recreation opportunities to all abilities in the community. The Town Highway Department installed the system with construction oversight from BoardSafe. As part of the project, BoardSafe provided the following products: a 20-foot aluminum gangway and kayak chute, 2 precast concrete foundation blocks that are used as the bulkhead foundation, 1 8x16 floating dock, and as well as 1 4x16 foot floating dock. When combined, the 2 docks create a 12x16 floating dock area. It also includes a 16-foot kayak launch with adaptive boarding kit. To learn more about this project and similar projects, or to discuss how BoardSafe docks can help bring safe and accessible waterfront access to your community, visit our website and schedule a discovery call with our team.